Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims and I am the Who Dat teacher and I am here to teach you a old classic. I had never heard of it. Somebody asked me to teach it. It's a two-wall dance. The name of the dance is called The Right Time. No, The Time Is Right. The Time Is Right. It's a two-wall dance. It's about 12 years old, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. Also, there's quite a few turns in it, so I'll give you the modification also. So I'm gonna teach the original dance, then I'll teach you the modification in case you don't wanna do all the turns. Also, if you are located in the New Orleans area, you wanna move your body, you wanna get up and do something, please contact me for cardio line dance classes information at 504-251-0674. Now, this is the instructional, and if you're interested in dancing to the music with me, we can dance together. Watch till the end and just click on that link and we can dance together. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. You have more than enough time to get ready, and I suggest that you get ready right now. The NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room right now. And I see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. So right here, let's face it this direction, okay? So we're gonna start with just a simple cha-cha up with a rock recover. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, take it up. Right, left, right, rock, left, recover, left, right, back, right, left. And we're gonna do that again, but we're gonna change it up again. We're gonna step, knee up, down, rock, recover, left, right, left. So we just got a little fancy on the second one, okay? Again, a cha-cha up. So the weight starts on the left. Right, rock up, recover, come back. Left, right, back, right, left. Knee up, rock, recover. Left, right, left. Okay? Now it's time to do some turns. And we're gonna wind up back at this wall. So watch me first. I'm gonna go right, pivot left, right. So that's a half turn with my left shoulder coming forward. And I'm gonna start with a series of triple steps. So I'm gonna go left, left. I'm back at this wall. Right, left, right. Then I'm back at this wall. Okay, so what did I do? I shuffle right, pivot left, right. So my last step is on my right, and I just made a half turn. So I'm gonna complete the rotation with my left shoulder coming forward. Left, right, left. So I'm back at my wall, original wall. My last step was on my left, and I'm gonna go right, and I'm back at this wall here. My last step is on my right, so I step, pivot, left, right, and then I take it up, left. So what did I do? Right, left, right. Keep going around, left, keep going, right. Step left, right, up, left. We're gonna take our time with that. So, right, left, right. That's your first half turn. Last step is on your right, so keep going around. Don't go back, keep coming forward. Left, right. I'm back at my wall. My shoulder come back, right. Now I'm done. So I need to make a pivot half. Left, right. Shoulder keep going forward. Left shoulder, then go up. Left. Okay, now if you don't want to make the turn, this is what we're gonna do. Right, left, left, right. Shuffle, left, right, right, half, left, right, up, left, right, left. Okay, so what I did is I shuffle up, left, right, left. Then I made a half turn, left, right. And I stay at this wall and then do two triples, left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Then I need to get back to my front. So I make a half turn, left, right, step pivot half, and then finish up with your triple. Left, right, left. And in the dance, I'll do both modification. I'll do the original with the turns and then without the turns. Okay? So, right, pivot, left, right. You're going to do two shuffles staying at this wall. Left, right, right, right. So instead of turning, just shuffle back to this wall. Now I need to get back to the front. Step pivot half, left, right. And you back up this wall and you finish up with a left, right, left. That's it. Okay, the last step is you be on your left. Okay, now let's go back to the top. Cha-cha up, rock, recover, with the knee up, and then we start with what I just taught. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, left, right, left. Knee hitch, rock, recover, left, right, left, right, half, left, right, half, left, right. Step pivot hand, left, right, left. Okay, now I'm going to do it again without the turn. 5, 6, 7 from the top. Right, left, right, left. Knee up, knee hitch, left, right, left. Shuffle, right, half, left, right. 2 shuffle, left, right. Step pivot half, triple, left, left. Okay, from here you rock, right, left. Okay, so after you come off that series, doing those triples, rock up and recover, right, left. Then you do a lende or a shuffle to the right. Right, rock back, left, right, back, right, left. So I don't want you to go to the other side because we're going to do a full turn, 2 full turns. Okay, so you go right, rock, left, right, back, right, left. Full turn, right, left, left. Okay? Now, if you don't want to do that turn, you go right, left, right, back, left, right, left. Right, left, cross, right, left. So that's how you're going to get to your next wall, because it's a 2-wall dance. So you rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step, right, left, cross, right, left. I'll count it out for you. So that's the dance. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 5, 7, 8. Knee up. 1, 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, triple, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pivot. 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lende. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, back, 7, 8. Rock. Full turn. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, full turn, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we here at this wall. So let's do it again. So we facing this wall, the dance starts over. It is a cha-cha up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right up. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Knee up. 1, 2, rock 3, 4, back 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, half 3, 4, half 5 and 6, half 7 and 8. Step pivot 1, 2, triple 3 and 4. Rock, recover, rock and jet. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. Full turn 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're back at this wall. So now let's do without the turns, okay? 5, 6 from the top. Cha cha. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. Knee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, half 3, 4. Stay here. Left 5 and 6, right 7 and 8. Pivot half. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. Full turn 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Or stay here. You can go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. No, that's not it. So let's shuffle to the right. No, let's start back over because I didn't want to do that full turn. I'm doing the modification. Okay, so let's the first rotation that I did the original dance. Now I'm going to do the modification. So I don't want to do the full turn in case you don't want to do the full turn. So let's start back from the top with the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Up, 1, down, 2, rock 3, recover 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4. Stay here. 5 and 6, right 7 and 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. Full turn 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Triple with the pivot. Pivot. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Stay here. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock up and cover. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Full turn. 1 and 2. Left back 3, 4, 5 and 6. Back 7, 8. Step pivot. 1, 2. That's a quarter. 3, 4. That's a jazz square. So you do step pivot 2 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each time you pivot and make a quarter turn and end up with a jazz square. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, so that's the dance. Let's do it one more time with the turn. So I'm going to do it both times, with the turn and without the turn. 5, 6, with the turn. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4. Jazz 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 there you go. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And also, make sure you subscribe. The name of the dance is The Time Is Right. And I hope you take the time to dance along with me. And I hope you take the time to come to the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. That's next year. Visit our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.